What's this video about? I was just trying to think then.
Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis. Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis.
How you all doing? Right, just what's this video about? I was just trying to think then. I was having a bit of a tidy up in the man cave. And I thought I'd do a quick video on the GSX S1000. I wanted to know who's got aftermarket exhaust on the GSX S1000. This is a 2023 model, so it's a new one. I want something just a little more beef, a bit more grunt. Don't want it too obnoxious. I've done the straight pipe thing. Potentially a little bit too annoying. I had a straight pipe on my CB1000. Sounded pretty wicked actually, but after about half an hour in the saddle, it starts to get on your nerves a little bit. So I'm looking for something just a bit more adventurous. Not sure whether a slip-on will cut it. I don't know. Give us a comment. I really have to your feedback basically. I'd like you to give us a bit of guidance. I'll just show you the bike. It's gorgeous machine. But yeah, that exhaust, I think it looks out of place as well. You've got this beautiful black machine and then this horrible silver exhaust. So someone said buy a decap pipe so you can get rid of the catalytic converter, stick a decap pipe in between and the original exhaust. That apparently makes a big difference. I don't mind the shape of this exhaust, quite like it, but I just think the colour is odd considering the bike is all black. Anyway, give us your feedback, I really appreciate that. I have just been messing about with bar end mirrors. I had these installed, got these off a seller on eBay. I would suggest that these are not the best quality. I've put them on the bike and this expandable collar here was not gripping the inside and the mirrors were moving. So need to change these or maybe wrap some tape around, I don't know, but not the best. Bits of my fire blade. I do want to do a bit more work on this. So we've got 2002 954 completely in bits. That's my engine obviously. And the old trusty Haynes manual. So we'll have a video on this coming soon. I do plan on doing a bit more work on that this weekend. I would like to get it back on the road. But yeah, for now I just wanted to ask your opinion really. What are you all rocking on your Suzuki GSX S1000s? It'd be good to hear. And it's a shame the 600's going. We've sold that to one of my friends. So she's coming for that this weekend. What an absolutely mega machine that is. That really is a nice motorbike. But that's going. That was Emma's, but she won't ride it. All my bits for the fire blade on that rack in there. So I'm quite keen to get it done. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah. Great little purchase. Great purchase. This is an Amazon special. I thought this would be a load of shit. It's inline tyre gauge, but it's digital as well. So no messing about, and it's really accurate. So hook that up to my compressor and check your tyre pressures quickly. And it is very good quality. And I think it was about £5 or £6 UK pounds. It wasn't a lot of money. I'll link the product in the description below on Amazon. Highly recommend it. Just looks exactly the same as a Draper or there was another sort of more premium brand, but it looks exactly the same. And it was about £4 or £5 cheaper. So I thought, look, I'll give it a go. It's an unbrand. It's called AstroAI, but I can vouch for it. It really is a really good quality bit of kit. It's made really well. So if you're after a new inline tyre inflator, I'd recommend one of these. So I'm gonna have a tidy up in the garage because it's a bloody mess. There's just stuff everywhere at the moment because I've got so many different things on the go. There's just not enough hours in the day. What with working and just trying to do a bit each evening. My main focus really though, I would love to get Fireblade back on the road before the end of the year, just to go out for a blast. So I'm quite keen to get this up and running. Just noticed them front tyres, they feel a bit flatted off there in the middle. So this one's a bit of advice really. I want to know what exhausts you're rocking if you've got a Suzuki GSX S1000. This is a Gen 2, 2023 model. Beautiful machine, but just wants a little more grunt. So comment down below, really appreciate it, like and share. Speak to you all soon.